If you have given somebody moderator, be it standard moderator, managing moderator, people are using moderator access to hack accounts, to hack people accounts on YouTube. Did you know that feeling? Some people are even still using this moderator access to block people from coming your live stream. Hello BG lovers, welcome back to another tutorial video and welcome back to the channel. In case you are coming across this channel for the first time, my name is Believe, a Nigerian based YouTuber. Please do well to subscribe, hit the bell notification on your screen so you get notified whenever I upload a new videos, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. So on today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can remove moderators from your YouTube channel. If you have given somebody moderator, be it standard moderator, managing moderator, and you have been trying to remove the persons from moderator and you cannot. Sometimes you only have the option to do it when you come live. Did you know that there is a way that you can remove everybody at once from moderators from your channel? That is why I am here today, to teach you that way that you can remove. It's very simple and easy, very simple and easy with no stress. Instead of removing everybody when they come live, you click on the person's name and you remove and remove and remove. There is the fastest way you can remove everybody once and for all on your YouTube studio. So on this station, we are going to be using our YouTube studio, which is the Chrome version. If you don't have Chrome on your phone, you are a YouTuber, you don't have Chrome browser on your phone, I don't know what should I do to you. I don't know what to do to you, and I don't even know what you are waiting for. Please download Chrome browser. There is no way that you have Google, you have a lot of Google app and you will not have Chrome. So we are going to be using our Chrome version. Okay, so with the way everything is going on YouTube these days, people are using moderator access to hack accounts, to hack people accounts on YouTube. Imagine like you work very hard for your account and you wake up one morning and you see that your account has been hacked. Did you know that feeling? Some people are even still using this moderator access to block people from coming your live stream. They will see people coming on your live stream and they will use the moderator access to be blocking people. You won't even know that someone is blocking people from your live. You may be wondering why people have not been coming on your channel or people have not been coming on your live. That means someone has blocked people from coming on your live stream or on your channel. So it's very easy. It is better we keep our account safe to avoid problems, because imagine the stress of building something from scratch from the beginning again. I cannot deal with it because it takes so much time and energy to get up to this point that we are, and you wake up one day and you find that your account has disappeared. So let's try to avoid all of these things and keep somebody safe. Okay, so when we talk about moderator, what is the meaning of moderator? Okay, moderator is someone that has the access. The work of a moderator on your channel is, whenever you are live, your moderator should be able to block any abusive word, to remove insultive or any spamming messages on your live stream. That is the work of your moderator, is to block them, or maybe put the users on timeout, or maybe even remove the user. Anybody that is abusive, that is insulting, that is spamming your live stream, to avoid problem that will bring down your channel. The work of your moderator is to put that person on timeout or delete the messages of the person, is to make sure that your live chat is clean until you are done with your live. So I don't even know why some people will have access to your moderator and they will be using it to even harm you as the owner of the account. They are using it to harm you. They are using it to block people from your channel. It's very wrong. So please, if you are giving anybody moderator and you have been trying to remove it, this video, kindly watch this video to the end so you will see how you can remove moderators from your channel. Okay, and note, like I said before, we are using our Chrome version, our YouTube studio, the Chrome version. If you don't know how to do it, search on studio.youtube.com. Everything is just going to appear on your screen. The next clip you are going to be seeing on this video, I'm going to be sharing my screen with you guys so that you guys can see and understand what I am talking about, please make sure you watch this video to the end, because you are going to be learning one or two things at the end of this video. Okay, all right. Now this is my phone. Let's go to our Chrome browser. This is my Chrome. You can see these are the tab I have. You can see Restream Studio and YouTube. So I'm going to go to my channel studio.com. I've clicked on it. You can see the top studio.youtube.com. so it's still going to show me try out the YouTube Studio app, get the app. I'm still going to continue to studio. It's loading. Let's wait. So right now I'm on my dashboard. You can see my channel content there. You can see me. Let me zoom so that you can see. This is a very small workspace, so whenever you are working here, you have to be very careful, so you not go and press anything. You just have to be careful so that you not do like mistake. Okay, so you can see my content. This is my channel content. So what I'm going to do now, you see all this side that has this the dashboard, the content, the analytic, the community, copyright, $sign, this magic sign, and this music, YouTube audio library. So normally my setting is supposed to be at this line, or this line that has this everything I just mentioned. So since my setting is not there, I'm going to scroll down. For my set is where my setting is at the right side of it. If you did not look well, you will not see it. So right now I'm going to press on my setting. I've pressed on my setting, so you can see it's loading. It's network that is making it to be slow, so it's loading. Hold on for a minute. So now you can see general, you can see channel, you can see upload defaults, you can see permission, you can see community, and you can see agreements. So if you want to remove your moderator, you go to community. This place that has this community, I've clicked on it. I've clicked on my community. Let's click again. I think network is delaying it. So when I go to my community, you are going to be seeing, when you go to your community, you are going to be seeing all the people that you have given blue jackets. Okay, you can see automated filters, managing moderator. Let's go to default setting. Default. You can see comments on your channel. This place, everything here is on. Now let's go back to automated filters. So you can see I don't have moderators now. Let me scroll down. You can see I'm scrolling down. So this is all. I don't have moderators now because all my moderators have removed them. The only moderators you can see on my channel is Restream. So you can see Restream both. That is because I'm using Restream, and because I give them access to my channel, that is why you can see them on my moderator. You can see standard moderators. You can see managing that moderator. So the people you have added as moderator, everybody is just going to show here. And when they show, you will see this X box. I don't want to click on this. You will see this X box. Then you click on the X box you are seeing. This X box you are seeing. Click on it. Click on the X box. Then you are removing everybody. When you click on this X that is like cancel something, when you click on it, everybody, you are removing the person. Click on it, you remove. So everybody you give moderator on your channel, this is just the way to remove them. You cancel the S, you cancel everybody, because everybody you give moderators, everybody is just going to show here. Okay, so you can only do this on your studio.youtube.com, on your YouTube dashboard, not on the normal YouTube studio. Okay, like I've said before in the video. So everybody, but since it's only Restream, you can only see Restream, because this is where they are all going to show. From standard to managing, everybody is going to come up here. So you just be removing them. You'll be removing them. Okay, so that is just all for that. It's not hard, it's simple. So guys, I forgot to mention that when you are done with everything, when you are done removing your moderators from your channel. Okay, when you are done, make sure you save it. You can see they save this thing here. Let me zoom. I don't know, you can see this place that has this close, this place that has the save. My recording is blocking it, but you can see you can see the saving now, the save now. So make sure you always save it. Okay, so if I'm leaving here, I don't want to save anything because I didn't make any changes here. So I will just close my tab. So that is just it. Make sure you save. All right. So guys, that is how to remove moderators from your YouTube channel. Okay, so in anything that we are doing, let's make sure it is very very important we pay attention to our channel. Let's make sure that we keep our accounts safe, because the stress of building something from scratch again, I can't imagine that for anybody at all. So in anything that we are doing, let's keep our accounts safe from hackers. Let us be wise. Let's be wise and be very very careful. To all of you that give everybody moderator, someone will just join your life, immediately you are giving moderator. Please don't get me wrong. Some people, we are giving moderators in other ways, just to like help people, maybe to visit people's channel and watch their videos and connect with them. That is one of the reasons we also give moderator. But these days, people are really really taking advantage of this, and it's very very wrong, which is very very wrong. I don't know why nobody is talking about this, but I'm just here to let you know that you have to be very very careful. It's not everybody you give moderator on your channel. You have to be very very careful with your account, because it's like you want to start building accounts again, because I can't. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, comment and share. Subscribe to my channel as well, and if you're stopping here for the first time, don't make today your last time of stopping here. You're highly highly welcome. I love you guys. I'm going to see you guys in my next video, but for now, bye. Don't forget what I say. Let's be careful with our accounts, please. Bye guys. Bye.